Namaste guys, in this video we are going to make this railway hand car mechanism in Solidworks. So let's start. First click on assembly, click OK. Just you know that I am making this mechanism first time, so if I make mistakes, sorry for that. Okay, so I don't know any kind of this dimension. I just saw this video on some Thang channel, so I'm trying to making a copy of it. Okay, so click on insert components, click on new part, select the top plane. Press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. After that, click on center rectangle. Draw a rectangle as per your requirement. Let's give it some length width. Let's make it 500 mm and you can select the width as per your requirement. I'm giving it a 300. Okay. After that, go to the features, click on extrude boss base, click on thin feature and click on mid plane. Not on the mid plane. Click on one direction and make sure it's uh, increase the extrusion thickness to 30 mm and this one is also increased 30 mm and click OK. So select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. Now draw two circles. This is where we place our wheels or axle shaft for the wheels. So let's give the dimensions first. 170. Sorry for that. This one is going to be 15 mm. 15 mm. Let's increase a little bit. Let's say it's 180. Okay. And after that, what we can do is we can use mirror command instead of making again another circle. So go to the mirror entity, select this circle, select this point, click OK. Go to the features, click on extrude cut through all, click OK. Now we have made up to this point. Now we are going to make a lot other parts as well. So select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. So let's start creating our sketch. Escape, select this line, make it construction and give the height and width as per your requirement. So I'm giving it a height of, first give this a width, let's say it is 30 mm and the height will be 340 and this length is 100. After that, click on mirror entities, select the line, mirror about this line, click OK, features, extrude. Make sure that you checked on the merge results, else you will face problem later onwards. Click on reverse direction, increase it, and click OK. After that, select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. Now draw a circle. 20 mm. To 80. Now go to features, click on extrude cut through all, click OK. Uh, now select this top plane and go to the features, click on mirror, mirror, mirror this one, and make sure extrude cut is also selected, and click OK. So we have made up to this point. Now exit that assembly component mode. Now we have to make two more parts. Sorry, more parts. Okay, not two parts. We have to make many parts. So go here. Sorry, go to the assembly. Click on here. Click on new part. Select the front plane. Press Ctrl plus 8. So what we can do, instead of selecting front plane, select the right plane. Click on sketch. Press Ctrl plus 8. I have a better idea. So what we can do is draw a center line like this. Sorry for that mountain noise if you are hearing any. Can't do anything for that. And draw the escape. Move this downward. Select this line. Select this line. Go to the mirror entities. Select the lines. Mirror about this line. Now go to the features. Click on revolve boss space. Select this line. Make sure uncheck the thin feature, else you will face problems. And click OK. Now exit the assembly component mode. Select the front plane and front plane of the assembly. Make it coincide mate. Click OK. So now we have to make, let's see what we can do to make this run. Okay, after that, let's make another part. So select this one and press F2. Give it a name chassis. Giving name is very good thing, because it reduce your effort to finding that part and modifying it. So wheel, and so what we can do is, now I'm going to create the handle of it. So go here, click on new part, select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. After that, I will create the handle. So select for center rectangle, draw the center, draw it like this. Draw a circle as well at the center of it. The length is 576. Okay, I don't mind this much length. And let's make this 30 mm. And go to the features, click on extrude, 20 mm. Make sure it's in mid plane, so when we do some modification it will be easy for us. So this one, now we have to think how we can move this part. Okay, because we have this, so that can move up and down, but we want to, at the end of the day, we want to rotate this. So what we can do is, we can make a 4-bar mechanism. Okay, so I hope that you all read your theory of machines books. So I'm just making a 4-bar mechanism here, and a complex one with the using gears. So it is a 4-bar mechanism. Okay, select this phase, press Ctrl plus 8. So let's see how I can approach this problem, because even I don't know how to currently how to make it. Let's see. Let's think about it. Uh, okay, exit the sketch mode, edit mode, press Ctrl plus 8. Now go here, click on Solidworks design. Click on toolbox, sorry. Add in now in asymmetric power transmission gears. We are going to import a spur gear. Let's increase its diameter because too small. 50 is still quite small, as if you ask me. 90 looks okay. Now click OK. Close this. Move this aside apart for a second. Now go again toolbox. Import spur gear, and we are going to make this one is smaller this time. Let's say this one is 30 mm. Click OK. Close this. Now go to the mates. Select this face and this face. Click OK. Select. Now we have to make it at the center. So go to advanced mates. Click on width. Select this face and this face and this face and this face to make it at center. Click OK. Select this face and this face. Make sure it's mate and select this face and this face. Sorry. Select this face and this face. We have to click on consonant first. Reverse. Click OK. Now I want to rotate it. So what kind of things I can do? So first select this gear. Press Ctrl plus 8, and for a second I'm going to hide this part because I'm not able to see properly. So let's hide this component, and I want to make gear meshing here. So to make gear mesh properly, I guess I have covered several videos about it. So I'm just going to do simply apply thing. But first let's make the gear place correct position. After that we will start doing meeting. So I think this position is good. So how to do gear meeting? So most of the people do what they do basically go here and start doing meeting. No, don't do this kind of stupidity. So first select this gear and go here to cut, right click on it, click on show, and similarly go here and tooth cut, right click on show. Now go to the mates. Now go to the mechanical mates. Click on gear. Uh, Press Ctrl plus 8. Select this line and this line. Okay, in that way you will get always get a correct ratio. If you don't use this method, you might face a lot of problems. So that's the reason I use or prefer this method. Click OK. So if I try to rotate it, currently I doesn't fix this part, so yeah, it's going to create a problem some. So let's do something to make this part fix. So what we can do is select this part. Before I do that, make sure that you hide these sketches because they looks annoying now. Their main purpose is just to create the sketch thing, and we have done it. Oh sorry, mating thing, and we have done it. So let's see what can we do. Select this part, click on edit component, select this face, click on sketch, select the cone rectangle. After that, go to 3-point circle, draw the circle, Go to the features, click on extrude boss base, select the faces I'm showing. Okay, click on reverse direction, click OK. Okay, we have to cut it. So press Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. So simply just uh, extrude this one because we have to extrude cut lateral onwards. So reverse direction, click OK. After that, what we can do is select this face, click on sketch, and select what we can select. Go here and view throughout, and make sure external preferences is checked on, else you will face problem later onwards. So don't blame me if it doesn't work for you. And go to the features, extrude cut through all both, click OK. Exit the assembly component mode, and what we can do is select this part, edit, go to edit assembly component mode. I forgot to use mirror command, so search for that. So go here, select the top plane, go to the mirror, select this one and this one, click OK. Exit the assembly component mode. Now we have to create a shaft. So go here, click on new part, select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8. Um, just I'm using 3-point circle. So I need to define 3 points and it automatically create a circle. So that's it. That is what a 3-point circle is. And go to the mid plane and extrude it. Click OK. Exit the sketch mode. Select this face and this face. OK. Now what we have to do is go to the mates and select this gear. Sorry. Select this shaft. Coincide. Select this shaft and this one. Okay. Make sure it's concentric. Click OK. And right click on it, click on fix because I don't want that this part move or rotate. So what I can do, I can check whether this is working or not. As you can see, I'm still getting some problems, so press Ctrl Z first. Right click on chassis and also make it fix. As you can see, this gear rotates perfectly, and this is basically what I want. Okay, now I need to do something so to rotate with this handle. Okay, so what kind of things I can do? So first thing that comes into mind that I can modify it. So let's see how to modify this shaft so that it can rotate it. So ever see a crank mechanism? So I will make something like that, not a fully like something like that. Okay. So select this shaft, click on add components, and select the. I need to see the plane. Top plane. Click on sketch. Press Ctrl plus 8, and cut it out. This part. Features. Extrude cut. Through all both. Click OK. Okay. Now I have to merge them again as well. So what we can do is press Ctrl plus 8, go to the sketch and click on sketch, select this plane, select the top, select the plane as I'm showing, and escape. Click on it and escape. As you can see, these sketches are far apart from the original position, so don't worry about it. So we will do something about it. So go to here, click on mid plane and make it 10 mm. After that, reduce it to 30 mm. Now go here, click on offset, increase the distance. Remember this, the purpose of this exercise is just to, you will have knowledge what's the, how to make it. I'm not making a perfect design because a perfect design will take a lot of hours and nobody like to watch most of the time my videos of long hours. So I don't make, a perfect projects. So click on here, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8 and go to the circles, draw a circle. Let's say its diameter is 10 mm. Go to the features, click on extrude uh, up to surface, select this face, click OK and exit the assembly component mode. Now I want to connect this one to this one via a rod. So before I do that, I need to make a hook here as well. So let's see what I do. And so select this part first, click on add component, select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. So I need to make something here as well. So go to the sketch and draw a shape like this. Go to the features, extrude. Just I don't know any dimensions. I'm just making whatever comes in my mind. So it's a good exercise when you make think something from your mind because you are learning a lot of things because how to tackle a problem, how to make something. So I highly recommend try to make things like this because in that way you can say something that yeah you learned something, yeah, you can make something. Okay, if you just copy my dimensions and doesn't make anything, you are not learning, you are just cramming and it's just a useless thing. So I need to make a one more part, so click on here, new part, select the front plane, so select slots. Okay, I accidentally select the center point slot, but I need to select the straight slot, so select this one and make sure whenever I make it, no external references checked on. If you don't check on no external references, you will face a lot of problem. I have told this in most of my videos, so I warn you again. 10 mm. Exit this assembly component mode. Now go here. Now what we need to do is meeting. Now select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. So okay, what I need to do is go here. Now right click on it, edit feature, click on log rotation, click OK. Right click on it and make it float. Okay, press Ctrl Z first. So go to the mates, select this face and this face, click OK. Uh, as you can see, I can rotate it. Okay, now we have to reach this point. Now first unhide the wheel, right click on it, click on show, and I have to do one more thing. So if you click on the wheel and go to the mates, and you will see this one, not this one, I guess this one, yeah. Select this one, click on log rotation as well here, click OK. So a question is, what does log rotation do? Basically, when you use log rotation, it will log the rotation of this one to this one as well. Okay, if you want more better understanding, then I recommend that you please go and check out my course on free course. Okay, free is the free course, link in the description, you can check it out. And if you want to learn about motion analysis, then you check on my Udemy course, you will learn a lot of things. Plus I will also gives you, if you have any kind of doubt and queries, I will also help there. So go here, click on linear components, select a edge and reverse direction, components to pattern, this one, increase the distance. I'm just scrolling up and down to match this. Okay, click OK. So if I try to, as you can see, one more thing, this one is part is not correctly placed and orientated. So let's make this one work as well. So select this face first, click OK. After that, select this face. Before that, go to the advanced mesh, click on width, select this face, and select this face to make it at the center of it. Okay, click OK. And now if I try to move it, uh, so select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. So if I try to rotate it, let's see the animation of it. As you can see, it's working fine. So let's make a shaft here as well. So remember, this is just for education purposes. Okay, don't take it to, you can make it more for advanced version if you want. So click on here, click on new part, select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8, create a shaft, mid plane, and extrude it. Click OK. Sorry for the unwanted noise if you are hearing. Can't do anything for that. So sorry for that. One more thing that you notice, that this part is intersecting a little bit. Uh, we can make it correct if we want. All we need to do is select this part, select this mate, click on edit, go to the advanced mates, click on width, so delete this, select this face and this face and this face and this face, click OK, and it's still not good. uh, what we can do is select this one, and before that, select this part, click on edit components and select this one, features, let's make it 5 mm, click OK. So now it's not interfering with it. Now the question is how to do the animation part, and these wheels are not look that they are rotating, so I need to make it correct as well. So click on it and edit components and select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Let's make a simple circular cut because we are lazy people. Engineers are most of the time are lazy guys, so I have no interest in working very hard. So click on circulars. Uh, so this is not the point. Select the circle. For go to the features, click on extrude cut through all. Okay. Now what we can do is go to the motion study. Animation is fine because we are just going to do the animation thing, and go to the motor, select this face. uh, let's reduce that to 30. Click OK. Go to the setting, increase the FPS to, let's say, 30 FPS is fine, because higher FPS will burn my computer, so I'm not going to take that much highly risk if it's not worth it. And click on calculate. As you can see, it's some looks like slow bit, but once the simulation is done, you can see it's working great now. If you want to look more betterly, what you can do, you can do zoom it and play. As you can see, it looks great. But if you want looks more better, you can increase the FPS. But just to know, higher the FPS, better the result, but it will burn down your PC. So if you have a potato PC like me, highly no recommend that. Don't do my kind of stupidity. Okay, so that's for all. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. Okay, and I hope you learned something from this video. And if you want the project files, it's on my GrabCAD. Feel free to download there. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.